Hello all. Today now we are going to discuss very important job alert which has been announced by Capgemini. So you all know what is Capgemini, right? One of the leading IT company. So we are going to talk about the Capgemini. They have launched the biggest virtual drive. Okay. So let's go ahead and check what all there inside this drive. So Capgemini off-campus virtual drive for the freshers. So you can share with all your fresher friends, and they have put one point that women candidates will be preferred. Okay, so female candidates will be preferred. So it's not like that you cannot apply. You also can go ahead. Male candidate also can go and apply if you are like suitable for it. Maybe they'll consider. Candidates should have graduated in year 2019 and 2020. So that means you cannot, if you have done in 2018 and 17, so you cannot apply for that. Okay, so make sure that you have just cleared your B or BTech in 2019 or 20. Also, masters candidates eligible for this, so they also can go ahead. Let's go next, and candidates should have 60% and above. Okay, so they should have 60% and above in the 10th standard, 12th standard, or diploma, or graduation, all 8 semester. So now Capgemini is very much sure about how much you have scored, and they want that you should definitely have 60+%. Must have excellent written and verbal communication skills. So definitely this is nowadays very mandatory skill. So start sharpening your this communication skills. Start working on that with specific set of vocabs. Next we have qualification criteria what they have kept. So qualification, MC can apply, BE students, BTech can apply. From mentioned specializations only from IT, computers, electronics and telecommunications, electrical electronics, also instruments can apply. And if someone doing masters, they also can apply, and their IT and computer science related things are there. You can just go ahead, start applying. If you are from electronics telecom in masters also, you can go ahead, no issues, because they have got some filter rounds also. So just apply with your resume. If they feel that you are eligible and you should go ahead, so they will take you for the next round. So that is, we have got the shortlisted candidates will be having assessment and the selection process. If your resume got shortlisted, so you will be called for that. They have given one gap criteria as well. They are saying that you should not have the gap in education. Okay, after only 1 year is allowed. If you have got 2 years, so you're not allowed. No gap is allowed after diploma. Okay, then we have a candidate will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure for appearing for the selection process. That means infrastructure as in you'll have to come up with your setup, as in your laptop, your Wi-Fi, and all your applications, maybe Zoom or Google Meet or whatever they are saying. So you'll have to be ready with that. Candidates should be willing to work across technology. So you should be able to work across the technology domain or role. Okay, maybe Java, mainframe, .NET, maybe app development, web development, or any profile what the company has got and they are working on the project. So make sure that you are ready with that. Also, you should be ready to work in the shifts. So these are some of the criteria what Capgemini is looking for. So be ready with this and make sure that you match all these criteria and you are ready to take the things up. Interview locations. Now selection process will be conducted virtually. Candidate must be open to relocate any Capgemini work locations. So it's Mumbai, Delhi, or maybe inside India or maybe outside. So you'll have to be ready for that, right? And all the process will be conducted virtually, all your interview rounds. But after that, all COVID related thing goes off and everything resumes as it was earlier. So you have to go any one of the location of Capgemini for work. Next we have, it's very important now. that how we can apply. Okay, in order to apply, so we have got criteria till 15th March. You can apply. You send your resume on the registration link. Where you'll find the registration link? It's here. Okay, even you'll find in the description also. So you can go there and just fill up this form. Okay, and thank you. Thanks. All the best, and try to go for it and share with needy friends. I've started getting feedback that people are getting placed. So just keep going and keep applying, keep cracking the interviews. Okay, one company definitely will get selected. Okay, bye. All the best. Thank you.